Financial security is one of the biggest priorities after retirement. Having a reliable savings plan not only ensures peace of mind but also provides a steady income. One such trusted option for seniors in India is the Senior Citizens Savings Scheme, or SCSS. Introduced in 2004, the Senior Citizens Savings Scheme is a government-backed savings plan. It was designed especially for individuals above the age of 60 to provide a safe and regular source of income during retirement years. Any Indian citizen aged 60 or above can open an SCSS account. Even those above 55 years who have retired on superannuation or under voluntary retirement may be eligible under certain conditions. The scheme has a lock-in period of 5 years, but it can be extended by 3 more years. This makes it flexible, secure, and suitable for long-term planning. You can start an account with as little as 1,000 rupees. The maximum investment allowed is 30 lakh rupees across all SCSS accounts held by a single individual. This makes it ideal for both modest savers and those with larger retirement funds. The biggest advantage of SCSS is the attractive interest rate. For the current quarter, April to June 2025, the rate is 8.2% per annum, one of the highest among small savings schemes. The interest is paid out quarterly, giving seniors a regular income. And remember, the government revises this rate every quarter. Another benefit is tax savings. Deposits made under SCSS qualify for deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, up to 1.5 lakh rupees per year. However, do note that the interest earned is taxable. If it exceeds 50,000 rupees in a year, tax deducted at source or TDS will apply. Compared to other schemes like fixed deposits or public provident fund, SCSS stands out. Unlike the long lock-in periods in PPF, SCSS offers a reasonable 5-year term with the option for extension. It also provides better returns than most bank fixed deposits, along with the safety of being government-backed. Opening an SCSS account is simple. You just need basic documents like identity proof, address proof, and proof of age. Visit your nearest authorized bank or post office, fill out the form, and deposit your savings. The process is straightforward with staff available to assist. In summary, SCSS is a safe, reliable, and rewarding option for senior citizens who want a regular income and peace of mind after retirement. With attractive interest rates, tax benefits, and easy access through banks and post offices, it remains one of the best savings choices for your golden years.